Hello guys, welcome back to Dynamic Block Session. In this video, we will talk about attributed walls block, in which I will tell you about the block which contains 6 walls, and it will be a single block. So let's talk about this. Yes, first of all, create copy of all blocks with their names. Then make a block of single valve. We name it valve underscore 002. Click on pick point, give a pick point, click on select object. Now select object, then right click, then tick the convert to block, tick the allow exploding. Now tick on open in block editor option, and then click on OK. Now click a line on the origin point 0, 0. Now delete this wall, paste the walls we have copied, delete that line. Now we need to take visibility parameter from block authoring palette. Click on visibility, then place it at the side of this wall, somewhere here, and just double click on this, change it to gate wall, gate wall, copy, new, ball, ball wall, create new, globe wall, create new, butterfly wall. Just click on OK. Just see the name of all the walls, and again click on new. The next wall name is diaphragm, fragm. Okay, click on new. The last one is plug valve. And click on OK. Now delete these all names and see, when we need to show the gate wall, the all other walls should be hide. So what we have created a list of walls. Now we need to set these walls to appear or disappear. Now here in visibility session, you are looking that gate wall. Right now it is visible, so all other walls should be disappear. So we need to select all other walls and click on hide button, right? We will click this visibility mode button, so that all hide buttons, all hide walls, uh, we can view all hide walls. Now we need to select here the other wall, and we need to select the walls for hide. We need to click on the hide button, mark invisible button. Now the select now select here the glow wall. The third one is glow wall, so all other walls should be select for disappearing. The next one is butterfly. Other one should be disappear. Select next one, diaphragm wall. The others should be invisible, and the last one is plug wall, so we need to select others for invisible, right? So we need to come back on the top wall, which is gate wall. So we need to just move all the walls on upside. So 20, 20, 20, 20, and the last one also the 20. So now we need to check. So we need to click on test block. So here you are looking that the invisible button, the visibility button is showing here, and when we are clicking, a pop-up is open. We show the list of walls we have created in our block. So when I'm selecting the another wall, it is automatically change. See, so see guys, this is amazing command in dynamic blocks, so that we can list a number of objects in one block. So after test this block, we need to close the test box. Now we need to give this block an attribute text. So we need to click here attribute definition. When we click on attribute definition tab, small window is open, and we need to uncheck this lock position and type here and this text to tag. So we need to type here the size or the tag wall underscore tag sequence number 1 2 3 4 5. So middle center standard 2.5, and then we need to click on OK. We need to select we need to place this text um, over 5 mm above of the valve. And now we need to give a size of this valve also, so we need to keep it on 10 mm above 10 mm below. Now just double click on this wall size. So we place here the wall size, wall nominal size, and here we are giving here just dnxx. We need to click on OK. Some another feature we need to give it here. We need to double click on this wall. mm, we need to give it here the description, wall description, description, and here we need to keep it just triple x, and we need to place it on the bottom side of the wall. 20. You need to move it here to 2.5 or some bottom side point 5. Okay, so now we are again testing the block. We need to click on test block. So you are looking that some attributes are available here for the wall. When we are giving a tag sequence number 1 2 3 4 5, the nominal size should be, we are clicking here for it is 50. The description, it is gate wall, gate. So we are just checking this, and we need to, we can change it, we can change the wall type, and whenever we need to change the wall, we need to change this type of the wall, and other details would be the same as the previous wall have. So in this way we can create this number of list of walls in one block. So we need to click on test block. Now we need to save this wall block, save this wall block. We need to click on save block, then we need to hit the close block addition. Now see, we have created this wall, but the attribute is not showing in this with this wall. So we need to click on, we need to apply a command add sync, then left click on the select, then left click on the wall, then hit the yes, and then uh, now we got the wall we have created. So that is what I want to say in today's class. So this is the wall we want to create, and it is available for you guys. Please practice this command so you can create this type of attributed block in dynamic block session. So keep watching this video until you will not until you will create this by yourself. So thanks for watching this video.